Hey, we have begun the journey to 1,000 subliminals. Sensei Luke mode. Right? And, you know, I wanted a clearly defined goal, right? Because a lot of us just go through life going through the motions, or we think we have a goal, but it's not a real goal. A real goal has a precise deadline and an actual number, right? Actual details and a deadline. And above all, it asks us to become a completely new version of ourselves, of yourself. So that's why I made this goal. And the beautiful thing about this that's going to benefit all of you is that it really allows for more customization, because as a subliminal creator, I want to maximize the amount of lines that I have. I don't want to have, hundreds of affirmations, right? That's silly. We got to get creative. We got to get imaginative and apply our creativity to where we want to maximize the amount of times that we can read the affirmation. That's the whole point of a subliminal, right? Is to where we can repeat the repetition as many times. So I don't want to take up your time, because your time is valuable, with a lot of extra lines or affirmations we don't need, right? We can get creative instead and maximize the lines to where I have now the ability to customize to a very, very, very narrow level. I mean, for example, when I go to make a lot of these affirmations, right, it's like manifest your desired ankles, your toes, your knees, is just going all the way down the line. But this allows for a lot of customization to where people aren't listening to extra affirmations they don't have to listen to, right? And above all, I'm even going to go to, manifest, more beautiful stones into your life. Manifest more beautiful cactuses into your life. Manifest, more couches into your life, more water, more food. I'm just going to go every single thing I see in my house, I'm going to do it. Manifest more, speakers into your house, more giant, 100-gallon fish tanks into your house, whatever it may be. And this sounds a little silly, but it's not silly. I want to have this because I want to have this customization, right? Because we have so many people that listen to subliminals where I feel whatever it is that you want, no matter how random it is, we should be able to listen to a subliminal. We should have this choice to manifest whatever it may be. If we want to have more shoes in our life, then so be it, right? If we want to have more, Sabrina chips, potato chips in our life, then so be it. But more seriously, guys, I want to be able to offer more precision, more accuracy in the customization that I'm going to be offering this beautiful community in our journey to 1,000 subliminals. This is the why, or this is the how, and this is more importantly, the why. The because, right? Any fool can know, a wise man understands.